Hello, what is going on YouTube? It's of course Alexandrus here, guys, and today I'm back again with another video. Today we will be talking about O, and you might ask, O? What is O, Alexandrus? What are you talking about, man? And well, I'm beyond excited to bring this first doxed meme coin to you that really stands out as the world's first meme coin led by a fully doxed founder. And guys, this transparency is really unmatched in a space notorious for anonymous players, especially here on Solana. And the founder's credibility and leadership provide confidence, making O.Bot a trusted choice for enthusiasts and all of that. So before we start with the video, guys, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, we can dive right into the video, guys. So, as you can see, this is the website. Okay, it starts with this sovereign super AI theme, and basically we will go over the website. I will also give you some insights as well, so you can more understand what this is all about. We will go over the price, do some little analysis as we usually do, and then I will show you some other cool stuff that I actually have prepared to show you, right? So guys, O.Bot, because that's the full name, isn't just another meme coin, okay? It's powered by Miss O. And you might ask, what is Miss O? Who is this, right? So O is revolutionary decentralized AI. Miss O is just more than AI, guys. It's a symbol of independence, innovation, and a new era of AI-driven blockchain project, okay? And here is hers, I guess, Twitter account or X account. I will link it down below, and you guys definitely should follow this account, especially if you want to stay updated with all the insights regarding crypto and Solana and overall blockchain, because as you can see, there is a lot of stuff being posted here, and this is the Chief Strategy Officer of Buy High Sell Low Technologies. Well, that's a cool name to have. Now obviously for the memes, you know how it is. Official O.Bots or O account is just OXYZ, the same as the link. It's basically O.XYZ. Everything will be linked down below, of course, as always. But yeah, we'll get back into this account in a little while, because I actually want to give you some more informations. So yeah, guys, this is positioned at the intersection of AI and meme culture, okay? And O.Bot is poised to dominate the 2024 and, in my opinion, 2025 meme coin narrative. Okay, there is big potential for explosive growth driven by its unique narrative, which we'll discuss in a second. Also their credibility and community powered movement, because this project is heavily banking on its community. So if you miss the GOAT run, don't miss O.Bot. Okay, this is your chance to join the next big thing, guys. So first of all, let's quickly go through the website, then we will jump right into the charts, because I know you guys are waiting for the freaking charts as always. So built by the brightest minds, discover the world's first sovereign super intelligence, powered by contributors from, and you can see all the companies and all the chains here, okay? Our objective is to empower humanity, and then you can see more information of what this is all about. So O exists to create a future where super intelligence serves humanity, not controls it. O is building the world's first sovereign super AI, governed and owned by the community, designed to serve humanity, not control it. O harnesses over 100,000 open source models, delivering a 20 times speed boost or 20x speed boost, driving rapid advancements and accelerating progress for a better future. And you have all those features here and all those statistics, I should say. And let me tell you, this is really looking top notch. So meet O, your super intelligence. O is not just another AI, it's your sovereign super intelligence, a new era where AI is no longer a corporate monopoly, but a sovereign, decentralized and community-owned force, empowering individuals to shape their own futures. Sounds cool? I bet it does. Watch closely, for this is only the beginning of something far greater than any one of us. And what I really like here is, you will see in a second, in all of these phases. So as you can see, phase 3 is basically O coin release. So tokenomics, this is like a roadmap here basically. Then you have agents program launch, empowering the community to contribute, shape O's future and earn rewards along the way. Infrastructure program launch, and now you can see something really interesting. We are building shutdown resistant compute infrastructure to keep everything scalable, independent and transparent. And then launch of ODAO, empowering the O ecosystem through decentralized governance. So obviously, as I said, they are heavily banking on community, and as you guys know, DAOs, decentralized autonomous organization, basically you know, the project will run off community votes, which is great because you, as the investor, as the hodler, will shape the future of this particular project right here, okay? And guys, O becomes CEO. O autonomously runs and manages O.Bot XYZ, fully decentralizing leadership as its AI-powered CEO. So can you imagine that the whole project, the whole token, will be basically managed by AI CEO? And to me it's crazy, you know, it can definitely have some positive impact as well. But obviously, guys, it really depends, right? So this is kind of mysterious, and I really look forward to see that. But I bet it will take some time. Obviously, this needs the AI needs to, you know, shape all the things, you know, learn along the way and do all that stuff. But basically this is what really convinced me to show you this project, mainly because it's something unique, okay? I never seen that in any sort of AI project. And they describe themselves as, you know, as a meme coin as well, so that's really, really cool. But the narrative is definitely there, okay? So introducing the ecosystem, from fractional ownership of real-world assets to transparent ecosystem analytics, O is driving the future of decentralized AI through a suite of revolutionary products. And as you can see, become an AI agent, get involved, contribute your ideas, and earn exclusive rewards as we build something revolutionary together. These are the things that they are working on regarding the ecosystem. Then also the RWA, invest in AI infrastructure, get involved through our fractionalized NFT ownership program, which, as you guys know, NFTs still a big boom on them, still a big hype on them, I'd say. So this is also looking great. And then explore the O ecosystem. Scan offers real-time transparency into O ecosystem, providing insights into token distribution and ecosystem activity for investors and enthusiasts. And I bet they will definitely work on some more. So you can become a contributor here, always looking forward. Then you can also apply here, yeah, if you want. Newsletter, and that's basically that when it comes to the website. This is not the end of informations, because they also have this documentation here. If you go into right upper corner, you have view docs, and then you can see all the info here, and basically it's kind of like white paper, I'd say. Not exactly, but sort of like a white paper. So we can see introduction of O, that he will be the world's first AI CEO. Our sovereign super AI will not just power our ecosystem, it is set to lead it as the world's first AI CEO. It oversees O's operation, O Foundation, O Capital, and global community, making us a project with unparalleled efficiency and foresight. So that's really nice. You have all the info about the coin in itself, staking, audits, all of that. So I will link this down below as well. You can obviously access it through the website, but I will link it so it's easier for you to find. Now let's get into the stuff that all of you like. Let's talk a little bit about the O.Bot token, right? Let's see what they here have to offer, guys. So basically, as you can see, this is how chart action looks right now. And what I want to emphasize is their market cap, which in my opinion, this is super undervalued, and it's positive from this point of right now, because this can definitely go higher than that. I mean, it's my opinion. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, as I always say. You should do your own research, do your own analysis. But I can see a nice price potential here, especially considering the fact that they used to be much higher than that. But usually people on Solana, because it's also like kind of specific blockchain, I'd say, it's really nice. I really like Solana based projects. You guys also like them. But if you are already investing into Solana, then you should be well aware that many projects here, people just, you know, ape in, sell, you know, they buy, they sell, they buy, they sell, and they basically go for short-term investments. So that's also why it's sometimes kind of tricky to get a good entry point, because, you know, the project can right after the start pump like crazy. It's usually what happens if you go over the screener, and then it kind of, you know, goes down, goes down, goes down. And when the people see that there is real value in this project, that it's not just another meme coin play, but there is an actual value behind it, actual technology, or actual, like, you know, basically that has more potential than, you know, just being a short-term play, they start to appreciate it, and then it goes up. And that's, in my opinion, what can happen here. Well, that's what I can see here. And now it's also in a nice dip, because it's down 18% in last 24 hours. So yeah, this is looking pretty good when it comes to entry point, especially that, you know, it recovered from this dip that we can see right here. Then it sort of went down, went down, went down, and now it's starting to pick back up from this one, right? So we can see maybe another, you know, little pushback, and then obviously something like this. But yeah, we will see how it goes. You know, charts is you know, we have the charts, but crypto is unpredictable at the end of the day, so take it with caution. They have the liquidity locked, obviously, 1.6 million here. You can verify the lock, as you can see. That's how much they have burned, how much is locked. So that's great to see as well. No ragging here, obviously. And if you guys want to stay updated with all the info that they are pushing, then you can join their official announcement, which is at OXYZ. And if you want to join their community, integrate, ask questions, you know, share your thoughts with other people, then you can join their community channel as well. Both of these again in the description, guys. So I really want to emphasize that this project is a community driven project. It's not just a token, but it's a whole movement where everyone can kind of contribute to its growth and evolution, guys. Okay, so we definitely want to appreciate the Doxed founder credibility and the price momentum. You know, there is AI and meme narrative here, so you know, it's for both. It's for the degens and it's for the people that are seeking some real life, real use case projects. So it's a perfect balance here, I would say. And yeah, the website in itself contains a lot of informations that I showed you, but you can definitely go ahead and see them yourself again. And in my opinion, looks very promising, you know, especially after going through all of this informations in this white paper, let's call it white paper, in this documentation. I can say that this has tons of potential. So obviously, guys, follow them on Twitter if you want to stay updated. Follow Miss O for all the updates regarding crypto and regarding some memes as well. It's really cool here. And people are also engaging under all of these posts, and you can see that. So it's cool that this project does have a nice community, and strong community also tells us that people are really interested in this long term. That's how I see it, at least. So share your thoughts in the comments. I will be more than happy to read them and reply to you, because I'm actually really interested what you guys think. And that will be it from me for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed, and see you in the next ones coming out soon.